What's up, guys? It is July 8th, 2026. Today I'm doing the daily trade recap of how I lost $1,000. Not a big deal. Gonna pass the eval. I would pass the eval today, but I'll show you guys how to fix that mistake and how to not take emotional trades, bro. Emotional trades will kill you. That is the worst part about trading. That's trading with your emotions, with real money on the line. But today's price action wasn't really too good, bro. I didn't really get too many entries. Kind of like shot up, but yeah, we need to get straight into the bias. All right, so 4-hour bias, what do we see? We have a daily SMT right here, so that we're catching the bottom of the move. I think price is going to run all its lows into liquidity. If it doesn't run it today, probably going to run it tomorrow. But yeah. All right, so let's go to the 30-minute. All right, 30-minute. First, what do we have pulling price up? Daily SMT, London highs, Asia highs, New York AM highs, lows, liquidity right here, right? And we have an untapped 30-minute. We have two untapped 30-minute Friday gaps down below. So what I wanted to see was price open up, tap back into the 30, and then retrace higher to take out London's, Asia's, New York AM. But that is not what happened. So let's play price out a little bit. All right, so what do? We shoot fucking right up off of market open, right? So go to the 15. What do we do? Shoot straight up, edge London highs. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe we can look for some sort of 5-minute or 15-minute continuation model here. We edge it even more right here, as you can see. We edge it. Play price out more. All right, here, what do I see? Well, we have a 15-minute for value gap right here, right? Which we are still respecting because we closed in it. 15-minute for value gap. We also are in a 5-minute gap, or 5-minute gap. So we have that 5-minute gap right here. 5-minute gap. Yep. And then, so what I want to see price do, now since we were tapping into both the 15 and the 5, I wanted to see price displace higher, and I was going to take a long after I get an inversion, right? So, okay, what do I do here? I did enter off of this candle right here because we closed all the way up here. I thought we were going to close all the way up here. There was about 10 seconds left in the candle. I entered right here for my stop loss right here. So it would look like something like that. A little bit of this. I would have took a 1-on-1. I would have passed 2 of my evals. But price, I didn't wait for the candle to close. Took an emotional trade because I really wanted to pass the eval phase. And then price got me out. Right. And then if I actually waited like my strategy was and like I was supposed to, if I actually waited, I would have taken this trade here where we closed this 1-minute gap off this change state delivery here off the 15 and the 5. We also closed or not the 3-minute. Don't need to worry about the 3-minute because we're closing that 1-minute gap. We're just placing up the 5, and then price chops around for a little bit, and then we hit that CP. So yeah, the motions lost me $1,000 today. Nothing too crazy, not bugging about it. I'm gonna pass the eval this week. I have tomorrow and Friday to make it back. Not bugging. But yeah, make sure you guys are trading emotionless. Emotions will lose you trades just like that. I wanted to pass the evals, entered too early, got absolutely cooked in the markets. Price action was still pretty bad for the rest of the day. Nothing too crazy. Kind of just chopped. I don't even think we went higher, did we? No. Yeah. So pretty bad price action, but there was A+ trade right there off of 2, 5, and a 15-minute value gap. So yeah, just make sure you guys are following your rules, sticking to your rules, not for trading with your emotions, and you'll win trades. And that's how you get payouts. But appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, really helps the channel. Hope you guys have a good day.